Gagawin, mag-download muna tayo ng Kapartner app Smart sa Play Store. Search lang natin dito. I-type mo lang yung Kapartner app Smart. So, yan yung itsura ng Kapartner app Smart. Install lang. Pagkatapos ma-install, open mo lang yung app. Then, click lang sa baba yung register now or register here. So bago mag-register, siguraduhin naka-insert yung retailer SIM card natin. Tapos mo mag-register, i-active wallet mo lang yung PMaya negosyo mo. Click mo lang yung active money wallet.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
Sundin na natin dito kung anong kailangan mga fill upan o i-fill in natin dito.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts.
Pagkatapos mo mag-register, kung wala ka pang Maya Business app or Maya Negosyo, download mo muna sa Play Store. Type mo lang yung Maya Business. Pagkatapos mo ma-download at mag-register dito sa Maya Business app, balik tayo dun sa Kapartner app Smart. Click lang natin yung click to refresh para mag-pop up yung balance natin sa Maya Business app. So click lang natin yan.
Said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
Tapos natin maklik to, maglalagin tayo ulit at magsasend ng OTP or one-time PIN si Kapartner. Antayin mo lang yung mag-send yung OTP ang Kapartner at i-copy-paste mo lang dyan. Then, mababalik tayo dun sa homepage. Makikita na natin yung balance natin sa Maya Business. So, ayan. Next natin gagawin, i-click lang natin yan yung plus sign sa taas para mag-add wallet sa ating Smart Retailer SIM.
Why you never said you felt that way? I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
Dito, may makikita tayong amount na load wallet kung magkano iloload mo sa Smart Retailer SIM mo. So, dito may 300 to 20,000. Then try muna natin mag-load wallet ng 300. Select lang. Then confirm sa baba. Then babalik ulit tayo dun sa homepage ng Kapartner. Makikita natin dito sa baba na bawas na yung balance natin sa Maya Negosyo or sa Maya Business dahil napunta na sa Smart Retailer SIM natin. Refresh lang para makita yung balance natin sa Smart Retailer natin. Ang pag-refresh, scroll na natin sa baba. Ayan, ganun lang. So sa 300 pesos pala guys na iloload wallet natin, may bawas siya na 3 pesos. So may kikitain dito si Kapartner na 1% kada load wallet mo. So okay na rin to guys, medyo less hassle siya. Kasi kung halimbawa kung malayo din naman yung pinagluludan mo, so di mo na kailangan pang maglakad or magbiyahe papunta sa loading station para mag-load wallet ka lang. So okay pa rin to guys. That's all for today's video guys. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video nito, huwag kalimutan i-like. At kung di ka pa nakapag-subscribe, subscribe mo na rin. Thank you. Bye-bye.